Zinshle Zinkamalo $900 sa'yo while cleaning. Jesse $600 while at Clarity 2 Clash. Well done Mtsiki, $300 sa'yo. Amashle $700 sa'yo. Lulama $620 sa'yo. Well done guys. Well done James, $600 sa'yo. Danielle Low, $100 sa'yo. Lori, well done, $600 ding. Ellen, $900 ding this morning. Well done Paula, $900 ding. Ashley Cox, $10,100 ding in the last 30 days. Well done. Chris, $1,800 weekend so far. Well done to all of you. Ding ding, Tashnik, $1,900 sa'yo. Dayo, dollars coming in as well. Well done guys, well done. If you want this, drop a comment ready and let's get you started with online digital marketing. Let's do this.